The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Monday, 3rd of November. The Gospel will be coming from St. Luke chapter 14, verses 12 to 14. Jesus reminded the Pharisees and of course his listeners, the next time that you will make a banquet, do not invite those people who can invite you in return or who can repay your goodness. Rather, invite those who cannot invite you, like the poor, the lame, the crippled, the blind, because it is God who will return and repay your kindness. My dear sisters and brothers, more often, we invite those friends of ours, our family members, those people who have name in our societies. We invite them because we want to show the world that we have the power, that we have the influence, that we are great people because we can invite those people who have names, those who are in position, those who are professionals and can repay us back because we feel so good about ourselves. But we do not invite those who are poor and other people who cannot repay us because we're thinking they are not on the same level as ours. My dear sisters and brothers, there's no problem actually in inviting our friends and family members. But the only point of Jesus is because we are expecting anything in return. And if we are expecting anything in return, and then it is brought back to us, then what good is that? The gospel is just reminding all of us to be good to everyone, to be fair to everyone, to be generous to everyone, to be kind not because they are kind to us, to be generous not because they are generous to us, to be welcoming not because they are welcoming us, to be open because they open their house for us. No, we will be there because they are the faces of God. We will be good not because of what they did to us, but we will do something good because we are trying to be good like our Lord Jesus Christ. Let God be the standard of our giving and of our sharing. God bless.